Unlocking everyday English. Great job. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a phrase that you've probably heard quite often. Great job. This is a phrase that carries more than just the meaning of its two words. It's about encouragement, appreciation, and positive reinforcement. So if you're ready to learn when and how to use great job in daily English conversation, keep watching. Great job is an exclamatory phrase used to praise someone for their effort, accomplishment, or performance. The word great indicates that something is of high quality or degree, while job, in this context, refers to the task or work completed. Together, the phrase celebrates success and acknowledges hard work. It's a warm way to say that someone has done something very well. You can say, great job, in various situations. Whether it's a colleague who's completed a project, a friend who has achieved a personal goal, or a child who has done well in school, any achievement is worthy of this compliment. It's also frequently used in sports, music, and other performance-related activities. Examples in different contexts. After a presentation. Great job on your presentation. It was clear and informative. In the workplace. Great job with the event planning. Everything went smoothly. In school or educational settings. Great job on your test. All your hard work paid off. In casual gaming or sports. Great job. You scored more points than last time. Saying, great job, does more than acknowledge a job well done. It can also boost someone's confidence and morale. It serves as a form of positive reinforcement that encourages people to continue working hard and to take pride in their accomplishments. The phrase can positively impact a person's motivation and is therefore an important tool for effective communication. In different cultures, it's important to note that the use of great job may vary in different cultural contexts. In some cultures, direct praise is highly appreciated, while in others, modesty is valued, and such direct compliments may be received differently. Regardless, it's a generally positive expression in English-speaking cultures. There are other ways to express the same sentiment as great job, and here are a few. Well done. Nice work. Excellent effort. Brilliant. You rocked it. Each of these can be used interchangeably depending on the context and your personal preference. I hope you've enjoyed today's lesson on the phrase, great job. Remember, using positive language like this not only helps in acknowledging others' success but also builds a positive atmosphere, whether at work, school, or in personal life. Keep practicing your English and don't forget to tell someone, great job, when they deserve it. Until next time, take care and keep learning.